Hi, I'm Liberty, and this video is brought to you by, yet again, another Unity College assignment. But today we're here for biology. So let's talk about biology. We're going to go over hydrophilic, what that means, hydrophobic, what that means, why certain substances are hydrophobic or hydrophilic, and what it means if it's placed in a beaker of water. These are our beakers, so cheers! Now, hydrophilic. Let's think about that word. Hydrophilic. Let's chop off the last half and use that. Philic. Philic. Now, philic, I'm filling it. It's a play on words. It helps you remember better. So if it's hydrophilic, you fill it and it meshes very well. It's going to mesh together. They coincide. They work. It's like a happy ending. Hydrophobic. Let's chop off that last part of that word. Phobic, hydrophobic. Now, if we take the C, cut it off, and throw an A in there, what do we get? Phobia. Now, whew, fearful. Doesn't work out, works out about as good as me and spiders. Hydrophobic. Don't mesh. No, does not mesh at all. They're gonna repel. So, I have my apple cider vinegar so you can clearly see how it's gonna mesh because they're filling each other. Hydrophilic. We can do this. Watch this. Look at that. Look at that. There's nothing on the bottom. There's nothing on the top. It's all beautifully blended. It's awesome. Like I said before, we're going to move to hydrophobic oils, fats, things of that nature. These two are going to get along as well as spiders and me. I don't like spiders. Look, it was beautiful. They blended beautiful. I lied. They didn't blend beautifully. You can clearly see those don't work out. See, they're all sitting at the top because they don't like each other. Hydrophobic. Now, why are certain substances hydrophobic and hydrophilic? Well, it's because of their chemical makeup, and I'm not going to lie to you. To me, it is complicated and complex, and I don't understand it. Just like I don't really exactly understand politics. You have Democrats and you have your Republicans, and they don't always agree. So that would be like hydrophobic. And sometimes they can get along, which would be hydrophilic. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for stopping by.